Shah Waliullah. Yes. And then I said that Sayyid Ahmad was acclaimed as the desired leader, a countrywide organization with an elaborate secret code. Sayyid Ahmad क्या कर रहे हैं? Sayyid Ahmad कौन है? He is the real person who tried to increase the Wahhabi movement in India. Shah Waliullah se influenced, and Abdul Wahab se influenced. Yes or not? They influenced by whom? Shah Waliullah of Delhi, and then Abdul Wahab of Saudi Arabia. वही वहां पे स्टार्ट हुआ था. And then they have been influenced. इसका simple मतलब था कि yes, the revival of Islam of the present, which has been influenced by Western influence, and then it has to go into what is in the form of Prophet's time Islam. It is in a completely opposite. The countrywide organization with an elaborate secret code for it. तो उन्होंने सैयद अहमद ने क्या किया? What he has done? He tried to send what is in a secret code के फॉर्म में खलीफा, वाइस रीजेंट्स एवरीवेयर, जैसे सब लोगों को रीजन बनाया, मैंने एजेंट बनाया, एंड देन आई एम सेंडिंग इट टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया सो दैट यू इंक्रीज द वहाबी मूवमेंट. अंडरस्टूड? एंड दिस वे द वहाबी मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अप, और उसको क्या बोलते थे? खलीफा. दोस वाइस रीजेंट्स आर नोन एज खलीफा. सैयद अहमद. यस, टेल मी, हु इज देयर इन दिल्ली? शाह वलीउल्लाह. And who is there in the Saudi Arabia? Abdul Wahab. And they have given what? Wahhabi movement. And who started doing in India? Sayyid Ahmad of Raebareli. And what they have created? Yes, vice regent, Khalifa. And in the north, पहले देखा जाए तो in the Sinthana region, Sinthana part, यहाँ पे there is a pass is there. This region में Sinthana I talking about. पहला इन्होंने base कहाँ बनाया? Northwestern tribal belt was chosen as the base for operation. And in India, its important center was at Patna. तो इसके कहाँ पे देखेंगे important center? UP. In Bihar में Patna, then Bengal, then Hyderabad, then Bombay, then Madras. Which are the region I said that? Able to look at where the center they have created for the UP, Patna, Bengal. UP, Patna, Bengal. And then I said that Hyderabad. Then I said that Bombay. Then Madras. These are the regions. I said that I said Patna, though it had its mission in the Hyderabad, Madras, Bengal, UP and Bombay. इन जगहों पर क्रिएट किया. Now, दो चीजें याद रखेंगे. Darul Harb. This land become the land of Kafirs. That land becomes, it has been influenced by the, what is it? Not pure Islam. When you are not pure Islam, it becomes the land of Kafirs. The since Darul Harb was to be converted into Dar-ul Islam, the land of Islam. Kisme? Pure Islam. Like in a prophet. So they said that Darul Harb has to convert into Darul Islam. Yes? समझ में आ गया? Darul Harb to Darul Islam. After the, and jihad was declared against the Sikh kingdom of Punjab. First Sinthan pass से किसके लिए jihad against किया गया? In the 1840s में Sikh. And then I said that Sikh revolt has been taken place, Sikh, Anglo-Sikh war, the two Anglo-Sikh war, one 1845 to 46, another I said that 1848 to 1849. In this one it has been finished. अब वहाबी के पास कुछ मुद्दा नहीं रहा, तो जिसके पास था ना तब यही कर रहे हैं ब्रिटिशर्स. They are making us. उनका तो मुद्दा यही था, but at the same time westernization जैसा, there is some effect it is in Punjab. After the defeat of the Sikh ruler and incorporation of Punjab into the East India Company's dominion in 1849, English dominion in India became the sole target of the what? Wahhabis attack. And the Wahhabis played a role in the spreading anti-British sentiment in India. हमारे लिए तो फायदा ही हो गया. This sentiment it is increasing against the British. I said that a series of military operation by the British in the 1860s, the Wahhabi, ये ज़्यादा important नहीं है, बस यहाँ से मतलब इसका मतलब खत्म हो रहा है. And finally Wahhabi finished, continued fight, and then जहाँ पे starting वाले सारे important थे. I said that क्या क्या मैंने बोला? Who has been influenced in India? Sayyid Ahmad of Raebareli. And thereafter I said that there is an Abdul Wahab of Saudi Arabia and Shah Waliullah of Delhi. They have influenced with, and they have created, what they have created? Khalifa. That is a meaning of vice regents. And then first base he has created Northwest Sinthan. And thereafter they started sending their vice regents into the UP, पटना, बंगाल, हैदराबाद, बॉम्बे, मद्रास. एंड पहला उन्होंने कहां पे बेस बनाया था? दिस साइड. एंड देन फर्स्ट देयर टारगेट वाज व्हाट इज इन सिख, बट द सिख वेयर व्हाट हैज बीन हैपेंड डिफ्टेड बाय द ब्रिटिश एंड द ब्रिटिश, एंड नाउ देयर टारगेट गोज टू द सिख. सिख की तरफ उनका टारगेट हो गया. एंड देयर आफ्टर व्हाट हैज बीन हैपेंड, एंड द सिख जैसे ही हटे द ब्रिटिशर्स टारगेट इज, एंड देन हमारे लिए फायदा हो गया एंटी ब्रिटिश. दिस इज अबाउट आई सेड दैट वहाबी. एंड बहुत सारे वहाबीज को उठाकर कहां डाल दिया गया था? अंडमान एंड निकोबार. काला पानी लोग बोलते थे ना. कुक्का रिवॉल्ट. कुक्की नहीं, हमने क्या बोला? कुक्का. कौन है? कौन काका? कौन से काका? भगत जी. और एक तरफ से कौन है? जवाहर. यस और नॉट? तो मैं काका किसको कहूंगा? मैं बेटर टू से टू हुम आई से काका? भगत जी को. जवाहर जी को क्या मैं कहूंगा? काका. मतलब हमारे, मैं प्यार से कह रहा हूं. मैं आई विल से समथिंग नॉट काका. काका मीन्स आई विल से समथिंग इन द व्हाट विद द लविंग वर्ड्स. काका टू भगत जी. ही हैज डन समथिंग. जवाहर made the India back. So from the, you know that from 1947 till I said that कांग्रेस कब तक रहा? दिख रहा? जवाहरलाल ने कांग्रेस की क्या बना दी? क्रोनोलॉजी बना दी. There is a dynasty has been created. Which dynasty? India was having now which? गांधी डायनेस्टी. हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बाद में. 300-400 साल के बाद पढ़ा जाएगा. That is the गांधी डायनेस्टी. So दैट इज हमारे, हम लोग रह रहे किसमें? लेकिन ऐसा लग रहा है कि वी आर लिविंग इन व्हाट मोनार्च दे हैव मेड. सो जवाहर को मैं क्या बोलूंगा? सो कुक्का. काका कौन? भगत जवाहर मल. जवाहर इज मल. सो आई सेड दैट एंड ही आल्सो कॉल्ड एज सिंह साहब द वेस्टर्न पंजाब आफ्टर द. अब तो याद हो गया ना कुक्का रिवॉल्ट किसने, किसके अंडर में? भगत जवाहर मल. And after the British took the Punjab, the movement transferred. Pehle this Kukka revolt is only for the purification. It is only for the, but later on it become anti-British or something like this. Simple. One word if I said that, Kukka. Bhagat, और भगत की वजह से anti-British बन गया. Understood? और जवाहर जैसे लोगों को क्या था? पहले purification करना था. So first it was, and I said that, transformed from a religious purification campaign to the political one. And 1872. I said that 40s में here it is, and then 72 one of their leader Ram Singh was deported to Rangoon. The another leader is Ram Singh. So I said that Kukka revolt, it was headed by whom? Bhagat Jawahar Mal. And then I said that it was an which kind of revolt? Which kind of, what is an initial position of Kukka movement? Kukka movement was talking about the purification of the Sikhs, and thereafter what has been happened? Converted into political war. Understood? Anti-British it become. Which become it? Anti-British. And then in the 1872 में it has been like this. Rangoon में राम सिंह को भेज दिया गया. And Bill surprising. We have seen 1913. Perhaps you remember? Yes or not? कुक्का हमने देखा. वहाबी, कुक्का, and then Bills. Kutch rebellion. I said that. Which rebellion I said that? The British interfered in the internal feuds. Feuds in the Kutch region में दो feudatories थे. Feudatories are there. उनके बीच में एंट्री मारा. किसने मारा? British to get their own benefit. And then it has been in the Kutch region 1819 में defeated the deposed ruler. What I said that Rao Bharmal, and then ये गलत है. In favor of self-defense ये लाइन हटा देंगे. What is it? Defeated and deposed Rao Bharmal. Rao Bharmal को हटा दिया. And he itself, ये लाइन completely यहाँ से हटा दें. And a British, and he itself become the de facto ruler. Understood? Who become? राज. वहाँ के राजा कौन थे? राव भारमल. भारमल नहीं, राजस्थान के नहीं. यहाँ पे मैंने क्या बोल रहा? This line हटा दें. In favor of his infant. नहीं है ना? अच्छा, मैंने लगा कि मैं कुछ और पढ़ा रहा हूँ. जो आपको दिया गया वो कुछ और था. मैं भूल गया था. I said that an administrative innovation made by the, and ये कौन बन गया? Who become the de facto ruler in this region? Kutch. The Britishers, they become Britishers. And thereafter the people of this region of Kutch, जहाँ पे राजा भारमल थे, राव भारमल, they are not happy with this. They started what is it? Going against it, revolting. That the Kutch started what? Revolting, and again then they have to give what? Bharmal to this place. So I said, हमने क्या बोला? So tribal people supported them. Tribal people supported them. And I said that administration innovation made by the Regency Council coupled with the excessive land assessment called the deep resettlement. और उन लोगों ने क्या करने लगे? British started taking more land tax. They have increased the what is the land assessment more, and then thereafter the chiefs to rise the revolt and demanded restoration of Bharmal. And after the extensive military operation failed to control the situation, and company situation were able to follow a conciliatory. So which are we have seen? Wahhabi. After Wahhabi, what we have seen? Wahhabi के बाद क्या देखा हमने? Kukka, and after Kukka, Bhils, and then Kutch. 1913, and then we are watching. I said that Kutch. So what is Wahhabi? Who is the leader of Wahhabi movement? Abdul Wahab in, that is okay. Abdul Wahab in Saudi Arabia, and यहाँ पे किसने ये teaching दी? Shah Waliullah of Delhi, and then it has been followed by whom? Sayyid Ahmad. And where is his base? Sinthan region, northwest India. Understood? And what he was sending? Vice regents. Understood it? What he is sending? And then initially there was a target for the Punjab, but after the Punjab it has been annexed by the British, then it has been changed to the anti-British. Understood it? And thereafter by reaching 1890 it has been finished. Understood? And after that we have seen Kukka, and then Kukka revolt. I said that it has been done by the it is in a movement, not revolt, movement, and movement in the form of, I said that, purification of Sikh. And then who is there? Bhagat Jawahar Mal. And then we have been able to see that later on it converted into political and anti-British, and then Ram Singh was deported to Rangoon in 1872, and then we have been able to see Bhils and then Kutch. And Kutch rebellion में what is ना, दो बंदरों की लड़ाई में, दो बिल्लियों, the fight between two cats, one monkey is going to get benefit, Mr. Bidissus. He became the de facto ruler, and after becoming de facto ruler, British started giving more tax. And when they started giving more tax, more land assessment, then the people get frustrated with this. They started revolting and then asked for Bharmal to come. And then we have been able to see Western India. और ये आपके वगैरह है. अब आप लोग कर लोगे. इसमें रामोसिस वगैरह थोड़ा सा बताया हुआ है, एंड सूरत साल्ट एजिटेशन थोड़ा सा. छोटा सा चीज है, और ये मेंस वगैरह के लिए ठीक है ना. आप लोगों को कुछ ही पेज बचा होगा. सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड विद, आई सेड दैट, ट्राइबल, एंड इन द ट्राइबल मूवमेंट वी हैव सीन 1868 who is there? Chuar, and I said that sannyasis also. आपको पता है ना, that is in a famine. And thereafter 1818 Bhils, 1913 Bhils, and then I said in 1820 Horse, Chota Nagpur, 1824 Kolis, and then we have seen 1828 a home, that is in the Assam, and 1829 Khasi. पता है ना, रोड बना रहे थे and all. A home they have taken the, and then I said that we have seen that 1830 Singhpus, 1831 Coles, Chota Nagpur, जहाँ पे सब 31,000 को खोल दिए. And then I said that especially Muslims and Sikhs. And then I said that 1840 Kois in Andhra, and then we have seen 1846 Khond. Lekin in between we have seen also Pagalpanthi, yes, and then we have seen Faraisi. Pagalpanthi by whom? Yes, tell me. Pagalpanthi by Karamsa. And then Tipu, and then I said that Faraisi, and who is the Faraisi? Haji Sariyat Allah, and then Dawood Mia, Dadu Ibrahim, and then we have been also see what is in a Kandh, and the Kandh is in a kind of southern Odisha. It is in a what? Illegal practice, and it is in a kind of Maria. And then who was doing this? Yes, under the whom? Chakra Bishoy. That we have seen also. And thereafter we have been able to see 1855 Santhal. And then Santhal में आपको पता है कि Sant and the Rajmal Hills. And then you know that Diku and all, if you remember. And then Santhal में संत कौन है हमारे यहाँ? सिद्धू जी, ठोकोताली, and then Kanu, Sidhu and Kanu. And thereafter 1882 Nayakala, and then 1899 Mundas, and the famous Munda Birsa Munda. And he also faced there is some money lenders, Thikedars, everyone is coming. Then they have gathered the force, and what is a fight has been taken place by the 6,000. But he was in 1900 captured, and then in the jail he has been died. Understood it? And thereafter we have been able to see क्या हम देखा 1913 and 1913 में we have seen, yes, tell me. Bhils, again this side, Gujarat, Maharashtra and all, Khandesh region pura, and then 4 states covering, and then Bhils के बाद 14 में Oraon, Chota Nagpur, and then 1916 Rampa, what is in Andhra, and then we have been able to see 1917 Kukis in the Manipur, and 1921 Chenchus, and thereafter we have seen something in the north. And which are in the north we have seen Wahhabi, and you know that अभी मैंने revise कराया था Wahhabi, and then Kukka, understood, Bhagat Jawahar, and then Ram Singh, and then we have been able to see, yes, कौन सा देखा हमने? Bhils, and then we have been able to see Kutch, and उसके बाद किधर है? इसलिए you can Ramosis and all. So लगभग जो कराना चाहिए था आप लोग को, अब चाहे स्पेक्ट्रम पढ़ो चाहे कुछ पढ़ो, ये पोर्शन आपको उससे बेटर हो चुका है. So